So let's start with the first job opening. So guys, there is a lot of um uh, kind of opening in Hamilton. Like you might be heard of the company Hamilton Barnes. Okay, so this is actually someone is looking for cybersecurity architect. It's a flexible job. 80K is approx. That's what they are going to pay you. Network security architect 80K is 50. What is this? This is euro, pound, I guess. As analyst, okay, penetration testers and graduate, whatever you want, you can apply according. So there's a lot of things. Just drop your resume on this mail ID. Look at dot bansept@hamilton.bandlist.com. So just check out in this URL, in this mail ID, drop your resume, whatever position you want to apply. You might get selected. So that's what you can do, right? Now let's move to the next job opening. So next job opening is basically as a associate security analyst, right? So it's in Noida. Positions are web application testing, mobile application testing, API testing, and you need to identify vulnerability in the network, API, website, whatever they're going to provide you. Experience is freshers चलेंगे भाई. Freshers means कम से कम 6 मंथ का experience होना चाहिए. 6 to 1 years of experience is required. 6 month to 1 years of experience is required. Delhi NCR में job है. This is mail ID careers@cratical.com. That's what from where uh, you can drop your resume, and accordingly if you get selected you will get referred. So best of luck. You might get selected here if you have fresher. अच्छा नॉलेज है तो. नॉलेज नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं भाई, तुम सेलेक्ट नहीं होने वाले कहीं पे. You will die like a seed, but knowledge is that's good. Now next job opening is basically again there's a couple of, it's in Dubai actually, Abu Dhabi. भाई अल अभी भी करना है, just go to Dubai. Company name is Ambus Solution, Ambus, whatever you can say, Ambus Solution. Okay, so guys, they are hiring for cybersecurity consultant, knowledge VAPT management, pen testing, configuration review, digital forensics, incident response, MITRE attack, and all those things is important. Experience is 5+ years, so this is for the people those who are having couple of experience. Okay, and it's in अबू धाबी. कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल बेस्ड जॉब, 1 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है भाई, उससे पहले तुम अबू धाबी नहीं छोड़ सकते हो. ठीक है, मतलब कोरिया वाला सीन हो जाएगा, यू कांट लीव अबू धाबी. ठीक है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड यू कैन गेट इंडिया बैक. ओके, फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर वर्किंग. कंपनसेशन इज अप्रॉक्स 80K. This is Dubai currency, I guess. Whatever, I don't know. I just understand rupees, the supreme. Okay, so compensation is approx AED 18K per month plus benefits will be provided. So Abu Dhabi means something like in Dubai, if you're going as a something without, if you don't have any experience, so you might be getting a very small uh, space where you can live. There's a lot of problems you might going to be face. Okay, so if you're going to apply in Abu Dhabi or any of the Middle East countries, okay, so just authenticate from someone who already had in that specific countries, right? उनसे पूछो भाई कैसा experience है, what are things we need to take care of, because I've seen a YouTube channel, okay, where the people were saying कि भाई just take your underwears. It's very costly in Abu Dhabi and all those places. Just do accordingly, okay, because if you're a fresher you can't like I guess most probably you will be not having 5 lakhs per month to invest on something or rent a house or something. Okay, so just do accordingly. Okay, so you may drop a resume if you want to work there. Okay, अलावा भी करना है तो, and accordingly you might get selected. Talented at ambussolution.com. Now next opening is basically in focus. Company name is in focus IT. Okay, so someone is looking as a VAPT intern. Okay, 6 महीने से 1 साल का experience चाहिए. Diligence here is the job role. VAPT, as a VAPT intern, you are going to conduct vulnerability assessment, pen testing, web, mobile, network. Okay, and the couple of recommendation steps. Okay, you need to recommend exactly how to secure their networks and all those things. 6 महीने से 1 मंथ का एक्सपीरियंस, 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए बेसिकली. बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ वास्ट टॉप 10 साइंस 25 कॉमन सीवीज इज रिक्वायर्ड. ऑल दोस थिंग चेक आउट भाई, देख लो. Education qualification is technical degree will be preferred, most probably BTech, BCA, MCA, MTech. अगर BSc है तो वो भी चलेगा, बट स्पेशलाइजेशन इन IT और कंप्यूटर साइंस, CS. ओके, सो जस्ट डू अकॉर्डिंगली. देखो मैं इस कंपनी काम नहीं करता, बट यू माइट गेट आइडिया, because source technical degree is required. Mail ID is vapt@infocusIT.in. So just apply accordingly, you might get selected. Now the next company is Cratical again. So guys, associate security analyst is a position for what they are looking. Web application testing, mobile application testing, API testing, and all those things is required. From 6 months to 1 year of experience is required for applying this job role. Bitrate lower than economic. Okay. So, anyways, location in Delhi NCR. If you can relocate, you can work there, right? So, bitrate. Yeah. That do. This is the mail ID careers@pratikal.com from where you can apply. Next, that's all for today, guys. If